Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to find, subset, and download a survey in Odyssey. To find a survey, open the Odyssey repository. I do this by going to the Carleton University Data Center's homepage and clicking on Odyssey. This opens up the Odyssey homepage, and then I click on the Odyssey repository nest star along the left-hand side of the screen, and this opens up a new tab with the repository. You can explore through the different surveys by going through these categories. For this tutorial, click on the plus sign next to Health, the plus sign next to Canada, and we're going to go down to the Canadian Community Health Survey, CCHS. Click on the plus sign. We'll go into the year 2012, and let's look at the annual component. So by clicking on this, we now have access to these tabs along the upper right-hand side of the screen. To create a subset, click on the disk icon along the top right of your screen. This opens up your download page. Select your data format, which is typically SPSS, and then you're going to click on your subset button. This opens up a new page called Subset for Download. Click along the left of the screen to Variable Description. Then your category of interest, which for us is the socio-demographic characteristics. You are now presented with a list of the variables. By clicking on a variable, you're given the option to add to subset or view documentation. So if we click on country of birth, you can see that here. So let's click on view documentation. Once you've done that and are satisfied, click the back button and again go down to your variable. Click on country of birth and let's add it to the subset. You can now see it listed over here in the middle screen. If you want to add all of the variables in a particular category, click on the title and click Add to Subset. Now we have all of the variables in this menu instead of going through individually and adding them. So continue with these steps until you've added all of your desired variables from your categories. To subset specific cases within a variable, we're going to go up to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the funnel, which is our subset button. And this opens up our subset menu. So click on your desired variable. We'll do this by going up to Dwelling and Household Variables. Expand it using the plus sign. And let's click Age. And let's add it to subset. Then say you want to look at 20 to 24 years. Click on this and click Add. You're now going to go down to this arrow button and click on the less than sign. What this does is includes all respondents under the age of 20 to 24. Repeat these steps for any other subsets you may want to include. When you are finished choosing all the variables and cases, click on OK. And go back to the disk for download. You will notice that at the bottom it shows you have a filter on, which is what you just did with your subset. So to download a survey, click on the download box to the left of the subset box, which is right here. A message will pop up which says, if the download does not start automatically, press this link. When this pops up, click on it. Downloading is often very slow, so be patient. Click on the Save File button and save it where you need it on your computer. And you now have your file from Odyssey. So that's all for this tutorial. This video was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching.